Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this box, this parcel, a small one. So let's quickly open it. Okay, so inside we have some sponge packing. So let's quickly remove that. Okay, so inside the box, that's all. Few more sponge items. That's all inside. So let's open this. Here we have an opening. Inside we have the coins. So this is also, that's all, nothing more. That's all packing. So let's quickly open this. Okay, so let's open up quick. Okay, here we have the coins. So these are 1 rupee coins. So let me check. The quantity. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have two set of 14 coins as a mintwise and yearwise set. So you can see it's a mintwise and as well as yearwise. So this 1 rupee type you can get now on our website. So that's all for this video. Hit the like button.